I'm Troy Adamos, and I'm a shipbuilder. I'm an electromechanical engineer in the robotics and automation team, and we're in one of our manufacturing facilities. So when I was at Virginia Tech, I didn't imagine actually that I would be in this kind of environment. I guess I kind of saw myself more behind a desk, just doing like engineering design and calculations, and I guess there may be a little bit of that now, but I mean, it's definitely more dynamic, more engaging than what I had initially expected. So, you know, every day could be a little bit different from the previous. Like, maybe one day I am kind of at the desk the whole time, but then another day I'll be out here on the robot, in the basket. I'm fortunate to be able to work with several cutting-edge machines, but today I'm working with the external cutting drum, which is an oxy-fuel burning robot. So we have this robot now, but originally we would cut holes through these pieces of steel all manually, and it needs to be specifically at this orientation, at this location, and that would require multiple departments' efforts to kind of achieve that level of accuracy. So what we have now is both robotics and metrology to make sure that the burns are on location, they're accurate, and providing an improvement to schedule, as well as safety. This technology is really changing the game of, you know, how we build submarines, but it's really grown from that to the research and development aspect of it. And, you know, like, I think immediately after we started using this, we were like, okay, so we're cutting these kinds of components with it. What else can we do with it? So we try and talk to more people in the yard and, you know, visit them in their shops and see like how we can implement something that would benefit them, maybe improve quality, prevent rework, stuff like that. So I think that the job that I'm doing matters. Working with this equipment in these manufacturing facilities, it helps. I don't want to take away from all the hard work that a lot of shipbuilders are doing around the yard. There's a lot of areas in the yard that it's very difficult to automate or put a robot in. So it's good to be a part of what I'm doing in supporting the submarine and aircraft carrier construction, but like, you know, I'm just a small part of the larger role that all shipbuilders do to contribute to the delivering and construction of these aircraft carriers and submarines.